All right. Hey, you two, welcome to the channel. If this is your first time joining us here, my name is Jason. What we do here is we run online programs to see if we can make money with them. And then once we do, we pass them on to you. Now, we've been working on one series. It's been a step-by-step process to follow along and go with us to see if we can make money using a simple copy and paste method with Clickbank, using a free product and with an email platform called My Lead Gen Secret. The link to that is below the videos if you want to give this a shot. I definitely recommend at least running 2 accounts. Probably up to 5 is going to do you a lot better. And that is going to be this series right here. Now, we do have a lot more information on the channel about everything that we do to make money online, so that we can stay away from having to work that 9-to-5 grind and be our own boss. So if you have not subscribed yet, please do so. We really appreciate the support. And if you like this video, please leave me a like on it. So today we're going to jump into day number 30 with this series. The series turned $5 a day into $4,000 a month with Clickbank, where we go step by step, day by day, every single day to see what we do. Just copy and paste in emails with free offers. So let's go, and like always, we'll jump into our Clickbank account and just check some stats just to see where we're at. All right, so let's bring this back. Okay, so there you can see we've made 3 sales here since we started this. Okay, and these will be, for the people re-up them, these will be reoccurring payments. They'll actually be bigger payments than what is shown here, because these did have a larger monthly fee for the subscription on these products. So we'll get to see that too once we start seeing those. All right, so let's jump into our stats for our clicks, and let's see how we're doing. We'll check today. All right, so our hops today, 161. So 161 clicks to our link. That's good. You can definitely see from when we started this, that is coming up considerably. That is because we are building our traffic every single day. We're building those leads every day. So more and more people are seeing this all the time. So that's how we get this, right? This just continues. Now, we haven't sent emails out today yet. This is all residual emails that we've sent before that people are still getting, still clicking on when they're finding that link. So let's go in here and check the full period. Okay, so here's our full period. So with this offer that we're promoting right now, let's see, we are only halfway through this second offer, and we've already had 3,134 clicks to our link going to our website, which, comparing to the first offer, right, we're getting about twice as many, because we still have another 10 days to go on this offer. We're only on day number 10 with this second offer that we're sending out. So we should easily see this double. And by using that, that deductive reasoning, we should see a few more sales from this offer as we continue going. So we got 3 for the first 10 emails. Let's see if we can get another at least 3 for the second 10 emails that we're going to send out. And then we'll just keep building. So when we're done with this, we're going to go to the next offer, and we'll just continue like that and see how much we can build up on a monthly recurring basis. We're shooting for that 4,000 a month. And we're doing this on the side. This is not one of our main offers. This is just something that I wanted to experiment with, something that is simple, easy. If you've got a busy, hectic life, you can do this in a matter of 5 or 10 minutes and get a little bit of income on the side. This is just always working for you. And all you got to do is send these simple copy and paste emails out every day. Doesn't matter the time of day. If your evenings are free, do it in the evening. If your mornings are free, do it in the morning, middle of the night, whatever the time is, you just send those out. Okay, so let's go jump into our first email, or our first account. We'll get this first email out. So number 10 right there. I've got the Google Doc, the same Google Doc that I have below this video. I've got it pulled up on my other screen. And as always, what we're going to do, we're just going to hit mailing system and select all. We're not going to worry about anything else because we don't need it. We're going to go to subject line and we'll grab our subject from our document, Control C and Control V. Go back to our document and we're going to pull our link and the entire email body. With Control C, we're going to highlight here and Control V. As always, we're going to take the bold off because I don't like that to be all bolded. Now, if you do, that's fine. It's just a personal preference. I don't like it to read that way or look that way, so I always take it off. Come over here, grab our short code. So Control C to copy. And then here, Control V, comma. All right, I've already read through this. I did make just a couple of changes. Down here, I had a question mark here. I changed a little bit of the wording in here that just didn't make a lot of sense. It wasn't much, but you can always look at this and you can go through the email and you can kind of see. That's what kind of why we do this is to I put them in Google Docs so that we can look at the email and go through it before we're sending that out. So yes, it all is just simple copy and paste, but we do need to use just a little bit of discretion and make sure that these emails look appropriate whenever they're going out, right? So, all right, we got our link set up. All right, we got our ID in here. I just copied our link. We're going to go right here. Control V. And we're going to bold that. And also, I'm going to bring that size up on that one a little bit. And there is, I think there's one more spot in this one. I think we're going to make another spot in this one either way because this is kind of a longer email. Let me see. Here to apply. Let's do. Let's just add one right here. Whoops, I don't want all caps. We'll just do right here. And then let's make it stand out a little bit. Like so. And like so. And let's just go right there. In the longer emails, I like to have the link at least a couple times in there. Okay, so and you still haven't applied, apply here. Okay, so that works. That works good. And then we've got it down here too. So we'll get rid of our link here because we don't need it there anymore. I'm going to click perfect timing. Now, one thing you can do also is you can come in here and you can test this like I've shown before. So if you ever want to test and make sure that your link did go in properly, you can come in here, run a preview. So this is what it's going to look like when it goes through to your lead. And you can click right here. And I've shown this before, but I'll show it again just so we can see. So this is where it's going to go. All right, so here we go. So special price. Add to cart. So everything's in here. This is what we need. So it looks good. And then this is going to be the same. Yep. So it's going to be the same place. So that's fine. That's what we need. Now this is all ready. So we've already got everything in here that we need. There was no pre-header on this one. So we're good to go. So as always, I'm going to highlight, Control C, and copy this. I'm going to go ahead and send it. All right, that's sent. And then we're going to come to the top just like this. We're going to right click, then duplicate, and bring up that next page. We'll log out and then log back in to our next account. There we go. We've already got our email, so it's going to come all the way down and Control V. Perfect timing. We'll come back up, grab our subject line right there. I'm going to grab my email again, Control C, and send. All right, go to our other tab. Going to log out. Go into our next account right here. Mailing system, select all the way down. Highlight, Control V. Perfect timing, go up, subject, Control C, Control V. We're going to highlight for our next account, Control C, send. There we go. So we go to our next account. Log out. And number 4. Mailing system, select all the way down. Highlight, Control V, perfect timing. Subject, highlight, Control C, send. And then we go to our last account and do the same thing. Log out. Number 5 right there. This is our last one. So we'll wrap up. Select all the way down. Highlight, Control V. Perfect timing. Go up to subject. Control C, Control V. Everything's in there and send. So that is it, guys, for what we're going to do every day. I mean, it doesn't take that long. You can see how fast that goes. Once you just get in and you start doing it and you get in that habit, it's just going to be copy, paste, copy, paste, copy, paste, send, and you're done. So, all right, as always, we appreciate you being here. Thanks for watching. We'll see how the next 10 days for this goes. Today was day 30. I'm looking forward to it. I'm looking forward to seeing the results. Hopefully you are too. Thanks for being here. Don't forget to subscribe. Make sure you give me a like if you like this video, and we will see you on the next one. Later.